Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sensitivity settings within the Counter-Strike 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Counter-Strike 2 game on your device, and once the game is loaded, you will be taken into the homepage from which you will be able to start your match from the play menu. Now, if you wish to change your sensitivity settings for your camera while you play the game, then tap on the gear icon at the top left corner, which will take you into the settings menu. From this page, just tap on a keyboard/mouse, and now you will see your mouse sensitivity settings. You can slide this to the right in order to increase your sensitivity value, and the more right you move this slider, your sensitivity will increase within the game. You may also use the zoom sensitivity multiplier option in order to change the sensitivity settings while you are aiming down your scope. After you have chosen your desired levels, you can go back to your dashboard and start your game. And now, the sensitivity settings that you have just defined will be applied to your game right away. And you can change these settings at any time by pausing your game and going into the control settings once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your sensitivity settings within the Counter-Strike 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.